See, in previous lab, I told you that I will be handling your project presentations. Okay. Okay, Neil, you can take the break. You are exempted for this particular lab. Get well soon, and I'll see you in next lab. Okay, just go and take rest. So, Irfan.
Yes, ma'am.
And colony optimization, sir has discussed with you in classroom, na?
Yes.
Okay. So you guys, as it is already taught to you in classroom and colony optimization, you just need to find the shortest path. Okay, you can take the reference of anything. So implement the algo, that particular practical list, and after that you would be having only one practical, that is natural language processing, sentiment analysis. The rest of the practicals I'm excluding from your practicals, from all the batches. Okay, me and Chirag sir has decided that we should exclude the practicals. Uh, so you would be having only 10 practicals. The rest of the 4 practicals we are excluding it from your practical list. Okay, that is what we have planned. So after this, I guess we would be going for 2 practicals at most. The one is with the, as Chirag sir already told me, that particle swarm is already done. Okay, that one, and sentiment analysis, and if time permits, we'll go for artificial neural network with back propagation. That we are going to do. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. The rest of the practicals we will exclude it from our practical list. So you don't need to worry about it. Now I actually need to worry about is that, see, this lab you will be implementing AND colony algorithm. Meanwhile, I need to evaluate your project that you have done. So are you guys ready with your project presentation? As I told you that from the next lab, I will be definitely taking your project presentations. It is of 15 marks. Okay, your 10 marks of practical files and 15 marks of your project file. So have you done it, students? Raise the hand, the groups which are ready for project presentation.
मैम आपने नंबर दिए थे कि इतने से इतने
हाँ,
नंबर को
मैंने
प्रिपेयर
दिए थे। अभी कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा है कि हमारा रेडी है। रेडी हो? Any one of this I have given you? Okay. 149 आप अलोन हो या आपके ग्रुप में कोई है?
मैम 2 लोग और हैं, 139 और 140।
हाँ, आपका कुछ एचसीपी का प्रोजेक्ट ही है ना ये एआई वाला?
नो मैम,
तो
एआई का डिफरेंट है एसजीपी से।
ठीक है, कौन प्रेजेंटर बनाओ?
मैम तीनों को बनाओ ना, अमृत पहले पीपीटी प्रेजेंट करेगा, फिर मैं लाइव प्रोजेक्ट।
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो, समझ नहीं आ रहा।
मुझे और अमृत को बना दो।
ठीक है, आप
139 149।
देखिए, आप गुजराती बोल रहे हो तो मैं इतनी जल्दी कैचअप नहीं कर पाती हूँ, ठीक है? सो दैट इज व्हाई मुझे नहीं समझ में आता।
हेलो मैम।
हाँ, मुझे एक और रोल नंबर चाहिए। आपने बोला 3 है, कौन है?
Yes, ma'am. 140.
140 मैम।
फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल रिकॉग्निशन। ये पीपीटी हार्दिक सर को मेल कर दूँ।
ओके मैम।
ठीक है,
ओके मैम।
आगे काम करवाना हो तो करवाएंगे। एक्चुअली उनके पास आनंद यूनिवर्सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी से कॉन्टेक्ट काफी है, मेरे पास सैंपल्स बहुत ज़्यादा है ना फ्रूट्स के, वेजिटेबल्स के। आनंद यूनिवर्सिटी, एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी में से कलेक्ट किया। चलो शो करो नेक्स्ट।
So, this is our project, Fruits and Vegetable Recognition. We are three persons doing this project. First is me, myself, Amrut Kumar. Second, Vasu, roll number 140. Third, Dhairi Telwa. Now, this is the index we have covered. Now, we will switch to project definition. What
Don't
is
call
our
it as
project
index. Whenever you show it the PPT, call it as these are the contents that we are doing.
These are the contents which are we going.
Thing.
Okay, okay. Now this is our project definition.
You know, if you want that ma'am don't correct us, then it's also I will not correct you.
No, I want you to correct us. I want you to correct us.
TensorFlow and Keras.
So we have used a TensorFlow library and Keras API for deep learning. This is our introduction. Means fruits and vegetable recognition is the ability of computer to recognize. It is hard task for the machine because fruits and vegetables are not perfect in. It can be in any shape. Then color and size may be different of the fruits and vegetables. So this project is the solution to this problem, which uses the image of fruits and recognize it which is present in the image. Now, what is the project working exactly? So we are working on neural network. So first we have to we have to give data set of fruits and vegetables.
What are you using?
Excuse me.
Which
Conventional neural network.
Conventional.
Convolution neural network.
Yes.
Convolution neural network. I need to your explanation of convolution neural network. क्या होता है convolution neural network?
Ma'am, convolutional neural network is the network which is also known as CNN or ConvNet that specializes in processing data that has a grid-like topology. Grid-like topology is there, such as an image, or each neuron works in its own receptive field and is connected to the other neurons in the way that they cover the entire visual field.
अब इसका एक चीज बोलूं?
Yes.
देखो कन्वोल्यूशन न्यूरल नेटवर्क अच्छे से समझना हो तो उसके लिए इमेज प्रोसेसिंग में कन्वोल्यूशन का टॉपिक है और उससे इंस्पायर हुआ है ये सी आई यूज्ड टू टेक इमेज प्रोसेसिंग आल्सो। आपको लास्ट सेमेस्टर तक इमेज प्रोसेसिंग यही समझना तो उस टाइम पे आप लोगों के लिए बहुत इजी रहता था। अब ये थोड़ा शिफ्ट 6 सेमेस्टर में शिफ्ट हो गया आपका इमेज प्रोसेसिंग, ठीक है? तो इमेज प्रोसेसिंग में कन्वोल्यूशन होता है। कन्वोल्यूशन कुछ होता नहीं है ऐसे फिजिकली, सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, ओके? उसको 180 डिग्री पे रोटेट कर दो, आपका कन्वोल्यूशन हो जाता है, ठीक है? अब यही चीज से इंस्पायर हुआ है आपका कन्वोल्यूशन न्यूरल नेटवर्क, ठीक है? तो आप ग्रीक बोलते हो, ग्रीक उसको हम लोग मैट्रिक्स बोलते हैं, इमेज का मैट्रिक्स।
मैट्रिक्स।
तो सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है ना, वही चीज होती है, ओके? बस उसको खाली जो आपका क्या बोलते हैं कि हम तो यहाँ पे उसको बोलते हैं कि मास्क होता है, उस मास्क के साथ उस मास्क को 180 डिग्री रोटेट करते हैं, वो गया कन्वोल्यूशन, वही चीज होता है। चलो इम्प्लीमेंट किसने किया वो बोला टेंसरफ्लो ने किया, आगे दिखाओ इम्प्लीमेंट।
Implementation is done by Dhairi Telwa. Make him presenter.
उसको प्रेजेंटर है ही 140।
Okay. Dhairi, hello.
उसका नाम धैर्य है ना?
Yes.
Nah, he is means his
Dhairya,
name is Dhairya, but as he is writing his name as Dhairi, so we call him Dhairi.
धैर्य, ठीक है? मैं धैर्य।
My screen is visible.
हाँ दिख तो रहा है, स्लाइडर ओपन करो।
Ma'am, this is a simply dataset one for the training the machine. This is class.
Actually, आपका 70-30, 80-20
What, ma'am?
ट्रेनिंग और टेस्ट सेट को कितने में डिवाइड किया?
ट्रेनिंग और टेस्ट में आई गेस 80-20.
चलो ठीक है. हाँ.
ये ऑल वेजिटेबल क्लास है. यह ट्रेनिंग डेटा है, फिर हम उसे ट्रेन डेटा को यहाँ से सेव करते हैं फ्रॉम numpy array, so we can easily call them into other file. और फिर हम टेस्ट डेटा को भी सेव कर लेते हैं सेम numpy array के रूप में. फिर हम इस डेटा को data2.py में फेच कर रहे हैं numpy array को. यहाँ से लोड करते हैं सारे डेटा को. फिर हम टेंसरफ्लो का ये मॉडल है केरास फ्रेमवर्क का यूज करके, जो ये मॉडल लोड करता है आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क को, वो प्रोसेस करता है और ड्रॉप पैकेजेस और प्रिडिक्शन देता है हमें. वो प्रिडिक्शन देने के बाद ये प्रिडिक्शन इंडेक्स है. हमारे पास टोटल टेस्ट में 359 इमेजेस है. तो हम जिस भी इमेज का यहाँ प्रिडिक्शन देखना चाहते हैं कि वो इमेज कौन सी है, तो हम सिंपली ये 300 की जगह चेंज कर देते हैं, 300 की जगह 30 कर देते हैं. ये डेटा सेट टोटल 359 टेस्ट डेटा लेबल है हमारे पास. मैम आई गेस ये 2 मिनट लेगा.
हाँ, होने दो उसको.
ये लॉस और एक्यूरेसी दिखाता है यहाँ. मैम 30 इमेज है और 24 क्लास इंडेक्स पे है और उसका नाम है बेल पेपर और ये उसकी इमेज.
Okay.
So I'm done with it.
अच्छा किया. Done. Anyone else? 134, what about you?
Yes, ma'am, it's done.
135, Vani, Nupur, Devang. Raise your hand as soon as you are done with ready for your presentation. See, if you want me to genuinely evaluate, this is the best thing I can evaluate in the lab and give you some comments. 34 आपके ग्रुप में कोई और है?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you are present. You can present.
Yes. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Myself Tokir, and I am here to present on the AI mini project called Voice Assistant. What will be covered in the presentation is that the first introduction, then the available applications of the Voice Assistant, the screenshot of the implementation, and the features. So firstly, we should be knowing that what is the voice assistant. So it is a type of, it is a software that uses the input as a voice and gives the output as we are requested for. It basically uses a module named speech recognition that clearly recognize what is given as an input and then search for that. And the basically working, we can say for voice assistant, it normally takes the input as a voice and then convert to the speech and analyze and interpret the command as well. And as the voice assistant name suggests, we should be give the allowance to that for microphone, for internet connection, and web allowance to access the browser and to search for that, which we are given as an input, and the OS module to open some of application or the files which you are requested for. Is the available programs. Firstly, for Android and iOS, mostly using the industry Google Voice Assistant, then Amazon Alexa and Bixby. For Windows, it is Cortana, and for iOS or macOS, it is Siri. And these all are majorly used in the industry currently. Is the implementation of that. Here it is only shown that using of the Wikipedia module and the time.
Where you, with what you have used to implement these libraries and all?
Ma'am, for the I have used the Python,
Yes.
and for taking the input speech recognition by default for Python, and for recognizing I've used for Google Engine, speech recognition Google Engine. And for searching in the Wikipedia, I use the Wikipedia module, and for accessing the app, for now it's the VS Code only. For that, I use OS module. That's it.
Okay, proceed.
Okay, so the features that is covered in this is, firstly, it will start in the starting. It will greet you as the time. Then it gives the current timing on saying what's the time. Then if I request for that that open the YouTube for me, then it will open a YouTube in the default browser. For saying Google, it will open the Google for me, same as for Geeks for Geeks or the VS Code. And if any file I've statically given that open for that file for me, then it will open that. And Wikipedia too. Yeah, so that's it.
Okay, nice thing.
Can I show the implementation?
Yes, please run it and show me something about it.
Is it visible? It is hearable to you?
Yes, you are audible and your screen is also visible.
No, ma'am. That this is greeting. Firstly, it greets you. I think it will
No,
not.
that is not audible. For that, you in Microsoft Team you need to make settings. No, here where there are three dots.
I think it is not audible to everyone what it is saying.
Yes, it is not audible.
But it also does speak out what it has searched. And it also shows that the result.
Just a second. Okay, continue.
It also used to open the YouTube. Normally open the YouTube like from the web browser module or on Google Geeks for Geeks, and we can also tell him to what's the time. It will say the current time, and it will open the VS Code for on saying the open code. And for the Wikipedia, it will search in the given input and Wikipedia, and according to that it will search on the Wikipedia and give the result as like that.
Okay, good work. See, we all know that more data needs to be fed into the system to get better. So that is where we are currently lacking with our AI systems. Other than that, it's good. Anybody else can talk please now? Your presentation is done.
Thank you,
Money,
ma'am.
what about you? Money, 137, 35.
Project ready. Can we present it?
Okay. Who are along with you? I need to make presenters.
Ma'am, 137, Nupur.
Then, both you two are there only.
Yes, ma'am.
So start presenting.
Ma'am, screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. So, me and Tony have made this project called Maskly. It is a Flutter application used to detect mask on the faces, like mostly used for this pandemic. So, yes, artificial intelligence project made by Nupur and Dhwani. Just a second. So, content of today's presentation is project definition, features, what are hardware and software requirements, tools and technologies used, flowchart of the project, screenshot of the project, similar system, future scope, conclusion, and references. So, project definition is application Maskly is a face mask detector, which is an AI-based technology that analyzes a video stream to detect and recognize face masks worn by an individual person or a crowd of. Like it detects the pieces of the people, like they have wear the mask or not. Every individual is classified either with mask or flagged as without mask. It is further shown in screenshots, like how it is shown in the application. So features included are it do real-time analysis in crowds or for individuals, easily turn on and off. Application can be turned on and off. Anonymous analysis, where accurate mask recognition can be deployed across unlimited locations on any type of camera. The system can work on any existing camera without the installation of any new cameras. So hardware requirements are nothing like we have run this project in Android Studio only. So yes, minimum RAM, 8 GB hard disk, and Intel i5 higher processor to run the Android Studio smoothly. Software requirements are Windows OS, browsers are Mozilla, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Opera. Any browser can be supported. Now further Dhwani would explain.
Tools and technology we used in our project. Next, Android Studio, Dev Tools, virtual device. Flowchart of our project. So first of all, we will start our application. Then the application will check whether the person is wearing a mask or not. If the person is wearing a mask, then the application will end. And if he or she is not wearing a mask, the app will wait for the person to put on a mask. So it will again check for the whether a person is wearing a mask or not. Next, screenshots of our project. So this is the UI of our project when we put it on the app. Okay, so here the person is wearing a mask, so the app will show that he or she is present with a mask at about. Here she is not wearing a mask, so the app will show that the user is without a mask. Here she is wearing a mask like half away, so still the app will show that the user is not wearing a mask. So we should wear the mask properly. Similar systems. So this type of technology is observed in hospitals, offices, public transport, retail, corporate buildings, airports, and
Nupur, I have one question. Your app doesn't identify the person in mask, I guess so.
Sorry,
ma'am, your voice is not audible properly.
Nupur, now it is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I was asking that your application does not recognize the person in mask. For example, it can tell me that I'm wearing mask, I'm wearing half mask, or I'm without the mask. But it cannot tell you like Chintal is face recognition, the person recognition is not there, I guess. So.
yes, ma'am. Person recognition is not there. It just tells that the mask is kept or not.
Tested or not.
Yes.
Most of our app was only to recognize whether the person was wearing a mask or not to recognize he or she's face.
No, it's completely fine. That would be a very big thing to violate.
Yes.
Oh, then
Sorry, ma'am.
Nice presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Should we show the demonstration of our project? Like we have made the video.
Okay, you can show the demonstration.
It would take 10 seconds to go to the detection part.
Okay.
That's it, ma'am.
Okay, nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Done?
Next one. Devang 142. Okay, only you are left now.
Ma'am, my project is not ready because my teammate Niyar was not well. That's why
Prepare it for the next lesson. No worries.
yes, ma'am, for sure.
Anyone else whose project is ready and they want to show me? Anyone whose project is ready and they want to show me? Anyone? Just start working. We are in this lab until 3:30. So if
Hello?
you want to show me, then I'm here. Yes, Jinesh?
Can I?
Yes. Only you are there in the group or somebody else is with you?
No, alone I am there in the group.
Okay, you are presenter, you can show me.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, good afternoon. I have made a tic-tac-toe game as an Android app.
आपका
And
टिपिकल हो गया स्टूडेंट्स सब लोग कंसंट्रेट करो हाँ ये टिक टैक टॉक गेम वाला मिनी मैक्स सर्च एल्गोरिदम है जो अभी तक मैंने क्लास में करवाया नहीं है तो यहाँ पे देख लो ये करवा रहे हैं थैंक यू जिनेश
these are the topics which are going to be further covered in the slides on.
if you are comfortable with Hindi you can speak it okay? It's not mandatory so you can shift between Hindi and English.
Okay, ma'am. App has two modules, human versus human and AI versus human. And the programming language used are for the backend I use Java, front end for XML, and I use the Android Studio IDE. And for the algorithm used for
Just
AI,
a second. I would like to tell the students that ये algorithm है मिनिमैक्स सर्च एल्गोरिदम जिसकी वजह से आज हमें मशीन लर्निंग डीप लर्निंग ये सब कुछ मिल करना पड़ रहा है ठीक है ये एल्गोरिदम ने शो किया इंटेलिजेंस कि एक बार कंप्यूटर अपने आप से खेले या फिर मल्टीपल टाइम्स कंप्यूटर ने अपने आप से खेला वो बेटर हो गया ह्यूमन से और ये इस एल्गोरिदम की वजह से आज हमें मशीन लर्निंग डीप लर्निंग डेटा साइंस सब कुछ पढ़ना पड़ा ठीक है शुरुआत यहीं से हुई थी मिनिमैक्स सर्च से चलो कंटिन्यू जिनेश
okay. Features of the app are the game is a multiple round. Second, there is a point table whether it is human versus human or human versus AI. third is switching to new game. Suppose user want to switch new game and exit the further rounds, then he can do it. An unbeatable UI because of using of Minimax algorithm. And we can select who can start the game first, AI or a player. Okay. Minimax algorithm here we have used the Minimax algorithm for the AI player, and here strategy used is the base move. AI will choose the base move which will be the base move by constructing the whole game by its own after every move. Here there are two possibilities. First, Max will try to maximize his winning chance, so he will make the base move, and Min will always try to make the worst move. So here worst move means it is worst for the Max, and it is base for the Min move. So he will always reduce the chance for Max to win, and in that way the Min Max algorithm will work. So, suppose take an example here. If the chance is of the Max, then he will find which move is which is winning move. Suppose X wins if it X wins, then it have +1. O wins, then it is -1, and draw for 0. Here X is winning, so he will take the +1, and in the same way there are only one possibility.
देखो मैं समझाता हूँ क्या. एट फर्स्ट आपका स्कोर 0 है ना, ठीक है. अब 0 स्कोर, सपोज आप एक्स प्लेयर हो तो आपको स्कोर करना होता है +1 फॉर योर विन, और आप ओ प्लेयर हो तो -1 फॉर योर लॉस. तो एक्स को जिताने के लिए, अगर एक्स को हम लोग मैक्स गिनते हैं और ओ को हम लोग मिन गिनते हैं, ठीक है. तो एक्स को जिताने के लिए इसमें से कौन सा मूव हम लोग सिलेक्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. अभी मैक्सिमाइजेशन लेवल पे है, यानी कि एक्स ने अपना मूव चल लिया तो 0. अब सामने ओ को एक्स का स्कोर मिनिमाइज करना है, तो अब यहाँ पे जो मिनिमम स्कोर वाले होंगे ना, वो देखो आप हाईलाइट हो, ठीक है. अब उसने मिनिमम स्कोर वालों को चूज किया, उसको एक्सपांड किया. अब यहाँ पे जो मिनिमम स्कोर है, ठीक है, वो तो उसने कर लिया. अब चांस आया वापस से एक्स पे, तो एक्स को अपना स्कोर मैक्सिमाइज करने पे ध्यान देना. तो वो ऐसे ही मूव सिलेक्ट कर रहा है, देखो +++1, जिससे उसका स्कोर मैक्सिमाइज. तो क्या होता है, एक बार प्लेयर एक्स के हाथ में होता है, एक बार प्लेयर ओ के हाथ में होता है. एक्स अपना करेक्ट देखेगा कि मैं अपना स्कोर कैसे बढ़ाऊं, ओ देखेगा कि मैं अपना कोर्स कैसे, सामने वाले का स्कोर कैसे कम करूं. तो बार बार आपका प्लाई चेंज होता है, मैक्स मिन. इसकी वजह से इसको बोलते हैं मिन मैक्स सर्च एल्गोरिथम. चलो नेक्स्ट गेम खेल के दिखाओ, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा.
ओके, गेम एंड दिस आर द स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके,
गेम खेलनी है हमें, स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं. रन करो, इसको खेल के दिखाओ, हम देखते हैं आप कंप्यूटर से जीतते हो या नहीं जीतते.
यस मैडम.
फर्स्ट स्टेप कंप्यूटर लेगा.
First step, this is X for the computer. He's playing the first just now. Suppose I want to play first, then I have to select this toggle button. Okay. This is a draw. Suppose if I make mistake, new game. Then computer will win. And we can also do the new game if we want to start again the round.
Okay.
In the same way, we can also play with human versus human. That's all.
Okay, then.
Okay.
Anybody else than Jinesh? They want to show me their work. किसी का प्रोजेक्ट खत्म हो गया. नेक्स्ट वीक लास्ट वीक होगा प्रोजेक्ट प्रेजेंटेशन के अलावा, उसके बाद मैं प्रोजेक्ट नहीं देखूंगी. बात कि डायरेक्टली 15 में से 1 1 1 1 मार्क्स चले जाएंगे. नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड. तो डिसाइड कर लो, जिसका भी इनकम्प्लीट है, स्टार्ट वर्किंग. दिस लैब इज अंटिल 3:30. यू कैन स्टिल गिव इट अ टाइम. और कंप्लीट हो जाए तो प्लीज मुझे बोलो, आई विल इवैल्यूएट.
The content, introduction, libraries, use, code and output. Okay, so first of all, we should know what is it and what its use is. Okay, so in real life, we all want to have a luxury of having a personal assistant who always listens to us and anticipates your every need and also takes necessary actions. So it's not possible in real life for all to have a assistant or afford a assistant. But artificial intelligence made it possible for all of us to have an assistant, voice assistant. One of them is an email voice assistant. We all know that emails are the most common used communication purpose for in professionalism, and is this assistant, email voice assistant, will be very useful to save time, and also we don't need to write a single word. So the libraries used are this: speech recognition and via Gmail. Though the speech recognition library is used basically to record the audio to our microphone, and the via Gmail is used to automate the emails by using the SMTP protocol. SMTP protocol is used for sending the emails in communication. So this is code and output, which I would like to show by the demo only. Output, like first of all, ask the message what we want to send, then it will ask for the receiver's ID, like to whom we would like to send the email. Then I'll ask for pass, and then it will send email, and the output would be like this. So I will I have done this project in this Visual Studio. Hello, like whatever we want to send the message, we can speak. It's converting to audio text. Like this is our message, and now we have to enter the receiver's mail ID whom we want to send the message. I want to send it to like my this mail ID. So I have made this like, if we want to change the sender's ID, like by default in my program, I have kept it my personal ID, that is Rajisuta2505. So it will ask if you want to change the sender ID. I will not change it now. So then it will ask the password for the same. Password will not be visible on the screen, but it is, I am typing that. So now the task is done, and I will show the output. So this is it, like we have received that message in the email. This is what I have sent recently.
Yes, I have heard everything. I'm just thinking.
Done.
Rajiv, why did you have to write the email address?
No, ma'am, I have also provided the default, like, but it was just asked like if you want to change the sender receiver email ID, we can also put like by default in this code.
Okay.
Like this, it will ask a question, why no, yes or no, like you want to change the sender ID or receiver or ID, like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Pujan, do you want to show your project? You are in lab. You want to show your project?
Mine is done.
Yes, Rajiv, yours is done.